In the modern age that we live in, every nation depends on the continuous operation of several major critical infrastructure systems, such as energy distribution, public transportation, and many more. The operators of these infrastructure utilities are nowadays dependent on computerized control systems with online communication between the distributed sites. Such critical networks must contain adequate security measures against possible cyber attacks. A good example can be seen in the emerging smart grid networks, in which the classical neighborhood electricity transformer is now enhanced with monitoring and control devices, which require online communication to the control center. This distributed solution requires a large-scale network in which every unmanned remote site is an access point to the control network of the critical electricity grid. The infamous 2003 Northeast blackout shows the potential damage. A cascading failure in the electricity grid, starting from several faulty sites and lack of proper indications to the control center, triggered the second most widespread blackout in history. In August 2003, the electricity grid didn't contain sufficient monitoring and control systems. However, even in the modern smart grid networks, an attacker that gains access to one of the unmanned transformation sites can remotely manipulate the behavior of the monitoring and control equipment in any of the other distributed transformation sites in the region, initiating wrong power management decisions that can result in a power outage, similar to the one that occurred in 2003. RADIflow solutions address these challenges in a unique way. Our industrial Ethernet switches have an innovative service-aware architecture that enables detailed analysis of the traffic flow in the network and, together with the service management tool, provide an optimal solution for the modern infrastructure utility networks. A utility operator that builds a network using RADIflow switches can define its valid operational flows using the central management tool. These definitions are automatically translated to specific firewall rules for each switch in the network, thus providing a distributed protection of the network. Every deviation from the valid operational flows is immediately detected, blocked, and reported to the operator. The attacker's ability to manipulate from one site the operation of devices in other sites is blocked. RADIflow switches provide the critical national infrastructure utilities a secure communication network that adequately addresses the sophistication of the cyber terror threats. Every utility operator wants the assurance that RADIflow solution is there to address any emerging threat. RADIflow is part of the RAD Group, a leading provider of communication solutions to carriers and utilities worldwide. RADIflow, secure communication for the critical utility infrastructure. For more details, visit our website at www.radiflow.com or contact us at info@radiflow.com.